everyone. It's examination times going on, and we are ready for discussing another chapter. And the name of the chapter is Light, Shadows, and Reflection. I have with me Arman Singh again. Hi, Arman, how are you?
I'm fine.
So, how's the preparation going on for your finals?
Good.
Oh, shall we start the discussion?
Yeah.
Oh, what is light and what is its importance?
Well, light is an invisible wave. The importance of light is it provides us vision, and some sources of light provides us with heat, and light helps us to locate things. This is the importance of light.
Life would have been very difficult if light would not have been there, isn't it, Arman? We
Yes.
see everything through light. Now, can you give me what is the speed of light in a vacuum?
The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10, 8 ms.
Okay, and how much time does light take to reach Earth from Sun?
It takes 8 minutes and 32 seconds.
Oh, great! Your revision is really going on nice.
Thanks.
Arman, who discovered that light is an electromagnetic wave?
The scientist whose name was James Clerk Maxwell.
Okay. Now, light is in different forms. There are two important things which are there in this chapter: luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Can you throw some light on that?
Yeah, so luminous objects are the objects which emit their own light, and non-luminous objects are the objects which do not have their own light.
Any examples of luminous objects?
Yeah, sun.
Okay.
And fireflies.
And examples of non-luminous objects?
Moon, wood, and bricks.
There is another term which is very important in this chapter, and that is bioluminescence. Can you just tell everybody that what do you mean by that?
So when when an organism emits its own light, it's known as bioluminescence.
Okay. Any example?
Yeah, fireflies and glowworms.
Okay. Arman, can you tell us something about transparent, translucent, and opaque objects?
So
what are transparent objects?
So transparent objects are the objects which allow light to pass through them.
Example?
Transparent, I have to tell you the example. So example is glass, clean water.
Okay.
Transparent objects are the objects which allow sunlight to pass through them. Example, frosted glass and butter paper.
Okay.
And opaque objects are the objects which allow no light to pass through them. Example, pillow, bed, and phone.
Oh, great. We have discussed about light. Now, if light is there, shadow also has to be there, isn't
Yes.
it? Life is all about light and shadow. Can you tell us about what is shadow and what are its facts?
When light falls on an opaque object, shadow is formed. So shadow is basically a type of reflection of an object. So shadow is always dark in color. It's black, and it is of two kinds. It consists of two regions, umbra and penumbra.
Okay.
And size of the shadow can be increased or decreased.
Okay.
That's the characteristics of shadow.
Oh, so characteristics of shadow. Yeah, shadow is also very important at times in life, isn't it?
Yes.
So they say whenever there is any dilemma going in life, so just remain relaxed. After light, darkness is there, and after darkness, light is there. So good times will come, isn't it?
Yes.
Arman, tell me something about what is solography.
So the art of clicking photographs of solar system, planets, sun, moon, etc. is known as solography.
Okay. And can you tell us what is rectilinear propagation of light?
So rectilinear propagation of light tells us that light travels in a straight line.
Okay. And there are two important things in this chapter, that is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Can you tell us what is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse?
So solar eclipse is the eclipse in which the moon casts its shadow on the earth, because the sun, the moon and the earth, they all come in straight line and cast their shadow.
And what is the lunar eclipse?
So lunar eclipse is the eclipse in which the earth casts its shadow on the moon. Here also the same thing happen. All the three things source come in a line and form their shadow.
Oh, brilliant, Arman. Now, can you tell us what is solography we have done, linear propagation we have already done. What is reflection of light?
Reflection of light is when light falls on an object, it bounces back and falls in twice. This is how reflection of light works.
Arman, it seems that you are really doing well as far as revision is concerned. I wish you all the best for your exams. One more thing, I mean, when it comes to speed of light, on this earth, who is the fastest human being? Any idea?
Yeah, Usain Bolt,
He belongs to which country?
Jamaica.
Oh, great. So you also want to run like Usain Bolt, huh?
Yeah.
He really looks like a cheetah, that man, isn't it? So wonderful talking to you, Arman. I